I'll give you an update on my meat bird experiment. This is week 5, and you see how starting to put on some weight, and I'm pretty happy about that. But my experiment is I just bought enough. I'm just going to buy enough feed. What they say, it takes 16 pounds per bird, so I got 15 birds. I haven't lost any yet, and I'm going to buy 5 bags of feed. I bought 4 already, so I feed them 12 hours on. I left the house at about 7:05. I don't know. I ain't got my watch on. I don't know exactly what time it is now. It's like 7:20 or something. So I start feeding them, and then I'll come by here a couple times a day, and I'll add to it until they can't eat no more. And then about this evening when I go do my other stuff, I'll cut it off. So I feed them 12 hours on, 12 hours off. And I've got pretty good weight gain. They're starting now to pack the food away. This is week 5, and kind of not doing it by the week. I'm doing it by the pound of food. So that's why I say it takes I want to see if it takes 250 pounds of food to get these to the weight. And they're at 5 weeks now. We're about 5 weeks and 2 days or so. And you can see they're starting to put on some weight. And see, they're actually starting to get some size to them. I said another week, if we really wanted to, maybe another week and a half, we might be, if you wanted a small whole bird, we could probably do that. But, we mostly, we do. I think we're going to do all these. We part them out. We like breasts, quarters, wings and stuff. And so we want a little bit bigger bird. So might go the full 250 pounds. It's supposed to get I think a 7-pound bird, and that's right in our good range. So we'll see. So far, I think it's working pretty good, and if it does, I've got some more coming this week. Matter of fact, I got another 15 coming. 15 is a pretty good number for us. It's cheaper if you buy 25. If I had somebody that wouldn't go with 10, I would do that. If they wanted 10 and we kept 15, or 15 and 15 if we ordered 30, anything over at 25 threshold, you get almost $1 break. But the facilities I got, 15 works out better because of my little metal brooder I got. Is 15 works good, and the next brooder I got, 15 works good. So I've done it in the past, but I've always lost quite a few birds. Like 3 or 4, so that knocks it down. So we got the thing. Plus, when processing time comes, we can do 15 pretty good. 25 seems overwhelming to us. We're really slow at it. We're getting better, but that's the bottleneck right now, the processing. It's just the 2 of us, so we're trying to do our whole farm. We just just the 2 of us, and keep it going no matter what it looks like. So that's why I'm actually downsizing my layer flock a little bit. All right, so there's your update. We're at 5 weeks. I'm in my 3rd bag, so getting ready to get into I still got quite a bit of it. I got probably half of it left, so probably next week we'll get into the 4th bag, and then the 5th bag, and then we're going to process, hopefully. So I'd hope to have these done by July 4th, but I don't think they're going to be ready by then. So anyway, we'll get them when we can. I'm not worried about the time. I'm worried about the feed. All right, appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you down there in the farm next video. Hey, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll know how this experiment ends up. So you'll get a notification. Have a good day.